Beans are really smell and tasty. I know beans are really. Wanna come in?
God forbid Mommy should get 2 seconds to herself.
Come on! Whiz!
Why don't you go open the door, BJ?
I will do it.
Thank you.
Look,
That's gonna break. That's gonna break.
it's fine.